When you're handling project delays, the last thing you want is to point fingers or start blaming others. But handling project delays without blame can actually strengthen your team and make your project more successful in the long run. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to do just that, step by step, and why it's so crucial for the health of your project and team dynamics. First, understand that delays happen. It's part of any project. The key is how you respond to them. Instead of reacting with frustration or blaming, take a deep breath and look at the situation objectively. Ask yourself, what's the real reason behind this delay? Are there external factors at play? Are there misunderstandings that need to be cleared up? Taking a step back and understanding the cause of the delay helps avoid rushing to blame. Next, communicate with your team right away. Transparency is your best friend here. Let your team know that the delay has occurred, but avoid assigning blame. Focus on the impact the delay will have and how to move forward. This keeps the atmosphere solution focused, not accusatory. Remember, it's important to remain calm and collected because your response will set the tone for the rest of the project. When you address the delay, focus on solutions, not problems. Instead of spending time analyzing who's at fault, spend your energy figuring out how you can mitigate the delay. Work with your team to come up with a revised timeline and discuss any support or resources they need to catch up. By focusing on solutions, you're demonstrating leadership and a forward-thinking attitude. You'll also want to track progress and milestones in real time. This helps prevent surprises and lets everyone know when there are potential delays before they become a problem. I've tested some of the most popular tools for this, and I'm using a software that tracks everything seamlessly. You can check it out with an exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along and use it yourself. Another crucial aspect is managing expectations. Make sure your stakeholders, clients, or anyone affected by the project knows what's going on. Be proactive in communicating the new timelines and any changes. Keep the tone professional, explaining the reason for the delay without making excuses or shifting blame. This builds trust and keeps everyone on the same page. Now let's talk about morale. Project delays can create frustration, but if you handle the situation with positivity and focus on solutions, it can actually boost team morale. Show appreciation for your team's hard work, even if the delay happened. Encourage collaboration and let them know that you're all in it together. This approach helps everyone stay motivated to push through. And here's a big tip. Once the delay is resolved, make sure to learn from the experience, reflect on what went wrong, and implement strategies to avoid future delays. This doesn't mean placing blame. It's about creating an environment where everyone can improve. Key takeaway: handling project delays without blame is about taking a step back, communicating openly, focusing on solutions, and supporting your team. By keeping the focus on moving forward and maintaining a positive attitude, you'll build a stronger, more effective project team. To recap, when project delays happen, don't blame. Stay calm, communicate, focus on solutions, manage expectations, boost morale, and learn from the delay. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial for the software we've been using. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.